Rainbow Dash made 27 cupcakes using 3 different colors. She baked the same number of cupcakes for each color. How many cupcakes of each color did she bake? What's important from this word problem? What are some things that I should underline? I should underline that she made 27 cupcakes using 3 different colors. She baked the same number of cupcakes for each color. And then how many cupcakes of each color did she bake? Well, let's put this information that we have here in our word problem and let's plug it into our get chart, okay? She made 27 cupcakes. That's important. Is 27 cupcakes going to be my groups, equal number in each group, or my total? $27 cupcakes, if you said total, good job. 27 cupcakes is going to be your total. Okay, so then I have 3 different colors. And the question is asking us how many cupcakes of each color did she bake? So are my 3 different colors going to be my groups or my equal number in each group? Your 3 different colors are going to be your groups. So that means that you're looking for your equal number in each group. And when we're looking for the equal number in each group, what operation are we doing? We are dividing. So we are going to be dividing. I'm going to move my circle over. What are we going to be dividing? 27 divided by 3. Well, I'm going to use my little chips over here, and I'm going to make my 3 groups. Okay? And then I am going to just count out until I get to 27. And that's going to tell me how many are in each group. So there's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, I'm going to count how many I have in my groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many cupcakes of each color did she bake? She baked 9 of each color. So 9 cupcakes is going to be your answer. All right, so you guys are going to practice doing that on the next question. I want to see you guys using your chips to divide out or multiply out. I want to see you plugging in your numbers from your word problem into your get model. I want to see that you've moved your symbol over to multiplication or division, and then I want your answer. So that's a lot of different things that I'm asking you to do. 4 different things that I'm asking you to do, actually. But that is going to be the expectation for all of these problems. Okay.